Hello, my friends. Today, I'm going to explain the basic electrical diagram of a car's air conditioning system in the clearest, fastest, and simplest way possible. So stick around to see it. Everything starts at the positive terminal of the battery. The battery provides the electrical energy needed for the air conditioning system to work. The current passes through the air conditioning fuse. Its function is to protect the circuit against a current overload and prevent electrical damage. Next, we find the air conditioning relay. The relay acts as an electrical switch that allows for controlling the power supply to the system's components. When the driver turns on the air conditioning control sends the necessary signal to activate the system. Then we have the pressure sensor. This sensor monitors the refrigerant pressure and helps protect the system when the pressure is too high or too low. Next, we find the compressor. The compressor compresses and circulates the refrigerant through the air conditioning system. The refrigerant then passes through the condenser. Here, the heat from the refrigerant is released to the outside of the vehicle. Then, the refrigerant reaches the evaporator. The evaporator absorbs heat from the air inside the cabin. By removing heat from the cabin air, we get cold air, which is then sent into the vehicle's interior. On the electrical side, the current returns to the vehicle's ground. Finally, the electrical circuit returns to the negative terminal of the battery, thus completing the circuit. In summary, I can tell you the following. The battery provides the power, the fuse protects the circuit, the relay controls the power supply, the system activates the compressor, the condenser releases the heat, and the evaporator absorbs the heat from the cabin to produce cold air. Remember that the actual circuit may vary depending on the make, model, and year of the vehicle. See you soon.